Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of the 2024 Polestar 2, a car that's not just keeping up with the competition, it's setting the pace. Let's start with the exterior. While maintaining the sleek and sporty silhouette we know and love, Polestar has injected some subtle yet impactful updates. The new headlights are sharper, the grille is more defined, and the overall design feels more mature and sophisticated. It's like your favorite pair of jeans got a tailor-made upgrade. Step inside, open the door, and you're greeted by a minimalist haven. Sustainable materials like vegan leather and recycled plastics create a luxurious and eco-conscious atmosphere. The panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, while the spacious interior ensures everyone gets comfortable. The 2024 Polestar 2 boasts a state-of-the-art infotainment system powered by Android Automotive OS. It's intuitive, responsive, and packed with features like Google Maps navigation, voice control, and a plethora of apps. Plus, the 11.2-inch touchscreen is beautifully integrated into the dashboard, minimizing clutter and maximizing convenience. Now, let's talk about the real heartthrob, the powertrain. The 2024 Polestar 2 comes in a variety of configurations, from the efficient single-motor RWD to the exhilarating dual-motor performance pack, with up to 476 horsepower and a range of over 270 miles. This EV delivers both thrills and practicality. But the 2024 Polestar 2 is more than just specs and features. It's a car that prioritizes sustainability, offering peace of mind to environmentally conscious drivers. It's also a car that's built with safety in mind, boasting a suite of advanced driver assistance features. The 2024 Polestar 2 is a compelling package. It's stylish, comfortable, packed with technology, and offers exhilarating performance. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or simply looking for a luxurious and sustainable driving experience, the Polestar 2 deserves a serious look. So, what are you waiting for? Head down to your nearest Polestar space for a test drive and experience the evolution of electric excellence firsthand. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. The world of the 2024 Polestar 2. Until next time, keep it electric. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.